Hello everyone, this is Kalpana. I'm here to teach maths. Today in this video, we are going to learn a very important theorem from geometry. Okay, so here is a statement. The total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So what we have to prove here? Here we have to prove the total measure of three angles of a triangle. The total measure of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay. So for that, what we have to do is, first of all, we'll draw a triangle. We'll draw a triangle A, B, C. So first of all, what we'll do? We'll draw a triangle A, B, C. Okay. So here we'll get interior angles, right? So I'll name it as 1, 2 and 3. And next what we are going to do is, we'll extend one of its side. That is, I'm extending this BC, side BC to D. Okay. After extending this side to D, we'll get an exterior angle. So I'll name it as 4. Okay. So now let angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 be the three angles of a triangle. What is a triangle? We named it as A, B, C. And angle 4B and angle 4B an exterior angle. Exterior angle when side BC is extended to D. Okay. So now what we have to prove here? What we have to prove? We have to prove that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degrees. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degrees. Okay. So what we have to prove here? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degrees. So here we are going to use exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay. Already we have discussed in the last class. Okay. So now we use exterior angle property of a triangle. So what is exterior angle property of triangle? Since by exterior angle property of triangle, we have what we have? Exterior angle property. So exterior angle is equals to the sum of two remote interior angles, right? So angle 4 equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. So angle 4 equals to angle 1 plus angle 2, that is exterior angle is equals to sum of two remote interior angles. Okay. So now what we are going to do is, okay, we are having angle 3 here. So now what we are going to do is, we will add angle 3 on both sides. What we are going to do? We are going to add angle 3 on both sides. So angle adding angle 3 on both sides. Okay, so this becomes angle 3 plus angle 4 equals to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle, see, we are adding angle 3 on both sides. So what will we get? Angle 3 plus angle 4 equals to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Simply we are adding angle 3 on both sides. Got it? So now, can you notice anything? Linear pair of angles. Since by linear pair of angle, we get what we get? Angle 3 plus angle 4 equals to 180 degrees. By linear pair of angles, we'll get angle 3 plus angle 4 equals to 180 degrees. So this becomes 180 degrees equals to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Got it? So this completes the proof as desired. So therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degrees. Okay? Hence proof. Hence proof. So this is what we need. Okay? This is the desired result. The total measure of all the three angles. The total measure of all the three angles is 180 degrees. Hence proof. Okay? This is all for now. Hope you understood. If you have any doubts, just leave your comment below.